poppies. Yeah, your lips are as red as poppies. You wear the trendiest disguise. You give yourself to them freely, but acting like I'm not around. But I have found another. I kiss her, though I don't love her. And every time I hold it tight, I think of you throughout the night.